As far as the benefits of switching to solar for a residential customer is that they get to choose where their power comes from for probably the first time they've ever had that opportunity. And so I think there's a big psychological benefit to say, I get to choose where my power comes from. And then I've made an investment for the long term. So I think that psychological decision is really empowering for people.
I think that solar is a good idea for a homeowner for a number of reasons. You have a little power plant on your house, you get to levelize the cost of your energy. Whatever utility provider you have can't guarantee that the price will be about the same for decades to come. But also it increases the value of your home. If and when you go to sell, you're gonna get more for your property with solar upon it than without. And even if you never sell your property, you're creating financial independence and generational wealth for your family for decades. We offer financing and leasing options. We use green lenders who will understand renewable energy system lending better than a conventional bank would. And so they can bridge payments based upon when you receive incentives, making the terms worth your while.
There's no better personal way to invest in the environment and yourself and your future, your kids, by going with solar. And I think that combined with the return on investment financially, plus the ability to make the choice to do what you want to do with your own money to save the world is a really compelling opportunity for people.